guys! So, it's long time no vlog. I've been away for quite a while. I've had so many personal things that I had to attend to. I don't want to talk about it here right now, but among other things, I have also been busy with Coco. I know I haven't really talked about this on my Instagram. I'm kind of shy about it. I'll explain next time. Anyway, so today is basically a day in my life. We are running errands. Like, this is my normal. I'm all over Metro Manila. I'm all over. Marami talaga akong ginagawa in a day. So, I'm gonna be taking you today with me. And part of the schedule for today's activities is to visit Coco. As I've said, Coco kasi has been confined in the vet. So, ang vet niya right now is Pendragon. It's in Quezon City. And he's been there since last Thursday. It's a really, really sad situation. But he's better now. Buti na lang. I will be putting some clips. I think I didn't take any videos during those times. I took a lot of photos, pero hindi videos. But anyway, Coco apparently caught a bug. Parang may dengue siya for cats. So, when I've been away from our house for about 10 days, close to 2 weeks, because I was inaasikaso ko something personal about me and my family. And when I was about to go back home to be with my cats last Thursday, parang lupay-pay si Coco. He wasn't really as active as he used to be, and hindi siya ganun kalambing. So, I was worried. We took him to the vet kasi hindi rin daw siya kumakain. And then, hindi na siya nakalabas ng vet. Naka-confine na siya since then. It's already Monday today. He's been in the vet since Thursday. So, it's already been 5 days. Huwag nyo nang tanungin yung vet bills, no? Kalimutan na muna natin yun ngayon. But, what's important is, he is better. So, we talked to his doctor kanina, si Doktora LM. And, yeah, he's been better, but he hasn't been eating. He's still in the oxygen chamber. He is suffering from parang dengue for cats. And, ang dami namin biniling mga gamot. The bill niya right now, well, we've paid naman, no? So, konti na lang yung running bill niya ngayon. But, we've already paid like 30 grand. So, medyo mahal siya. But, ganun talaga. Wala insurance ang pets. That's what I told my sisters. Kaya wala tayong magagawa. And his medicine, it's a little special. We had to get it pa from St. Luke's. And it was about 1.3 per vial. So, it's really expensive. Wala tayong magagawa. We are still figuring it out. Kasi apparently, ang diagnosis sa kanya is meron siyang blood parasite. Na hindi namin alam kung saan nanggaling. It's supposed to be from ticks and fleas, but wala naman siyang ticks and fleas. And dun sa blood smear niya, wala rin naman nakitang parasite. So, it's a big question mark for us. But apparently, his liver is having a hard time. And that's why we are buying all these parang liver na galing lang, na meron lang sa St. Luke's. It's really, really special and expensive. And, yeah, but what's good about it is mas okay na yung vitals niya. Nung first day na pinasok namin siya sa Pendragon, ang baba ng RBC niya, ang baba ng platelets niya. I was so worried the second day, nag-code white siya. He was like entering cardiac arrest in front of my eyes. I was so worried. But now, at least he's better now. So, I'm really happy for that. I'm thankful for everyone who prayed for Coco. I'm thankful for everyone who, basta, I mean, ang sinabihan ko lang naman yung mga people who are close to me. So, I'm really thankful that Coco was able to pull through from that emergency situation. He's not yet 100%. Hindi pa siya kumakain on his own. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-active. But he's very responsive. So, today when we visited him, we brought food. And then, pinakita namin siya ng parang videos of birds. Because he likes watching birds. Yung chirping of birds. He likes that in the morning in our house. He likes watching by the door, by the window, and hearing those birds chirp. So that's what we did today. He liked it. He was very responsive about it. Not sure if he took a video. So, ayun. Going back. So today, we will be dropping by sa Cartimar. We will be buying a lot of our pet stuff, supplies, before we actually fly to Korea. So we will be going to Korea on Thursday, and we need to buy all those stuff before we fly away for a couple of days para siguradong merong makain at merong mapups yung mga cats namin. So if you are a cat lover or a pet lover in general, I'm sure you know Cartimar. If not, you should go to Cartimar. I mean, Tiendecitas, I know everybody knows Tiendecitas, and that's also a nice place to shop for pet stuff. But if you want real good deals for your pet supplies, you have to go to Cartimar. It's a place in Pasay na parang ang dami-dami niyang hilera, store ng mga pet shops. And I will take you to our favorite pet shop there. So, kasi kaya namin siya favorite kasi yun yung store na may best price of cat sand. We buy cat sand by like 8 sacks or sometimes 10, 6 to 10 most probably every time we go there. And that's just enough for what, 3 weeks? A month maybe? Although I just ordered Meowtech also from Lazada recently. So I wanted to try Meowtech, but we normally use yung pink sand. So we will be buying that today and maybe some other stuff if makakita kami ng other things na kailangan namin sa Cartimar. And yeah, I guess that's all for today. By the way, so I'm wearing nothing today but Biore's UV base. Ayan. Dito sa ankle na to, kita yung parang dark under eye ko, no? Hindi kinaya ng concealer, but here is better. So yeah, I'm wearing nothing but Biore's UV base. I'm really lazy to put on full face makeup. Wala akong lipstick. This is like my lip tattoo at its finest. And my brows done. This is done by Bianca Festejo. This is done by HD Brows. Yan, hindi pa ako nagre-retouch. Although she's been inviting me na to retouch. Hindi pa. Ganyan pa rin siya since like it's about 2+ years na. So, yan. I think I've uploaded my Biore UV base just recently, so you can check that out. I really like it. It's very, very matte. It's perfect for our weather. It's really very humid today, but it's perfect. It's not sticky. It's so good. I love it. I wanted to thank everyone who voted for Coco, everyone who liked his picture, everyone who campaigned for Coco, everyone who reposted his photo, regrammed his photo, posted Coco's photo on their Instagram stories. I'm really very thankful kasi Coco was able to enter the finals for Mr. Vigor and Sage. Please continue to vote for him. The announcement of the final or the Mr. or Miss Vigor and Sage is on August 31, so you guys have time pa to hustle. Please hustle for me. Help me campaign for Coco. I really wanted him to win this. Hey, so we are here at Cartimar. Every pet lovers know Cartimar. Lahat ng supplies dito. So wala. So we are getting some cat sand, cat stuff before we fly off on Thursday. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!